It is possible that we just got the first GPT-5 level AI model, and it is not from OpenAI. While the world is waiting on OpenAI to give us GPT-5 and probably launch the start of AGI, another company has decided to take the initiative and go right for the kill. Yes, you heard that right. Anthropic, a leading AI company, has recently launched its newest AI model, and it is set to give the yet-to-be-released GPT-5 a run for its money. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is here, and it's a real game-changer. Anthropic recently announced the release of its new AI model, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and by doing so, set the AI industry into a frenzy. This is because the new model hasn't only set the bar high by outperforming its predecessor, Claude 3 Opus, across a range of evaluations, but it is also beating other competition models, including OpenAI's GPT-4. But before we touch on how it is leaving GPT-4 in the dust, let's see how it beats the other AI models within the Claude AI family. And for this, we have this graph. This graph compares the intelligence and cost of different versions of the Claude AI models, and from the graph, it's clear that Claude 3.5 Sonnet stands out significantly in terms of intelligence while maintaining a reasonable cost. It is positioned higher on the intelligence scale compared to its predecessors, Claude 3 Haiku and Claude 3 Sonnet. This means that Claude 3.5 Sonnet offers better performance and more advanced features, such as enhanced reasoning, improved contextual understanding, and multimodal capabilities, which enable it to handle both text and images effectively. Compared to Claude 3 Opus, which is positioned to the right, Claude 3.5 Sonnet offers a better balance between cost and intelligence, meaning that Claude 3.5 Sonnet is actually smarter than Claude 3 Opus. Given that it is an upgrade on the existing AI models in the Claude AI family, Claude 3.5 Sonnet has improved significantly in several key areas, such as graduate-level reasoning, undergraduate-level knowledge, and coding proficiency. It not only understands nuance and humor better, but also excels at following complex instructions and writing in a natural, relatable tone. In terms of coding, Claude 3.5 Sonnet has also demonstrated impressive capabilities. In internal tests, it solved 64% of coding problems, far surpassing Claude 3 Opus, which managed only 38%. This test assessed the model's ability to fix bugs or add new functionality to open-source codebases based on natural language descriptions. Claude 3.5 Sonnet's ability to independently write, edit, and execute code showcases its sophisticated reasoning and troubleshooting skills, making it an invaluable tool for updating legacy applications and migrating codebases. But this is 2024, and quite a number of AI models perfectly do that already. What they don't do perfectly well, however, is visual reasoning, and this is where Claude 3.5 Sonnet shows its superiority to other AI models, especially GPT-4o and, potentially, GPT-5. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is setting a new standard for visual reasoning in AI, especially in tasks that require interpreting charts, graphs, and other visual data. For instance, Claude 3.5 Sonnet excels at transcribing text from imperfect images, a critical capability for industries like retail, logistics, and financial services. Unfortunately, there are no examples or demos from Claude AI to show the AI model doing this. Notwithstanding, we'll simply have to take their word for it. However, it is important to mention that Claude 3.5 Sonnet's enhanced ability to transcribe text from imperfect images opens up new possibilities for automation and efficiency. For example, in the retail industry, this capability can streamline inventory management by accurately reading product labels and barcodes, even if they are damaged or poorly printed. In logistics, it can improve package tracking and sorting by reading shipping labels with precision. Financial services can also benefit by automating the extraction of data from scanned documents and receipts, reducing manual entry errors, and speeding up processing times. Another impressive aspect of Claude 3.5 Sonnet's vision capabilities is its ability to handle complex visual reasoning tasks. This includes accurately interpreting and analyzing charts and graphs, which is essential for data-driven decision-making processes. And the good thing is, this time, there is a video to show you where and how Claude 3.5 Sonnet does this. Let's take a look. Now, how does this feature compare to other AI models? Well, this table answers this question. The table provides a comparison of Claude 3.5 Sonnet with other AI models, Claude 3, Opus, GPT-4o, and Gemini 1.5 Pro on various visual and mathematical reasoning tasks. Claude 3.5 Sonnet demonstrates superior performance in visual math reasoning, achieving a 67.7% score, which is notably higher than GPT-4o at 63.8% and Gemini 1.5 Pro at 63.9%. This indicates that Claude 3.5 Sonnet is exceptionally good at understanding and solving mathematical problems presented visually without needing prior context. So it is clear that Claude 3.5 Sonnet beats GPT-4o and Gemini across various benchmarks involving visual and mathematical reasoning. But beating GPT-4o is just the tip of the iceberg. Claude 3.5 Sonnet has gone ahead to draw the battle line against the yet-to-be-released GPT-5 with its new feature called Artifacts. Claude 3.5 Sonnet introduced a new feature called Artifacts, which significantly enhances how users interact with the AI. This feature allows users to generate and view content, such as code snippets, text documents, or website designs, in a dedicated window adjacent to their conversation. It creates a dynamic workspace where users can see, edit, and build upon Claude's creations in real time. This transformation from a simple conversational AI to a collaborative work environment shows Claude's evolution and aligns closely with what is speculated for GPT-5. Artifacts mark a shift towards a more interactive and integrated user experience. This feature supports real-time editing and development, allowing you to collaborate more effectively with the AI model. This is particularly useful for tasks that require constant updates and modifications, such as coding, writing, and design projects. The introduction of Artifacts is just the beginning of a broader vision for Claude AI, which aims to support team collaboration in the near future. This means that teams and organizations will soon be able to centralize their knowledge, documents, and ongoing work in one shared space, with Claude serving as an on-demand teammate. This direction mirrors what is anticipated for GPT-5, which is expected to bring enhanced multimodal capabilities and more robust collaboration tools. Like Claude 3.5 Sonnet, we expect GPT-5 to offer features that facilitate real-time interaction and integration of various types of content. The ability to process and generate both text and images seamlessly would be a key aspect, enabling more sophisticated and versatile applications. And, while at it, let's see how this feature can be used. And as if that's not enough, Claude AI's future plans show that OpenAI and GPT-5 are about to get a worthy competitor in Claude AI. Claude AI has some exciting future plans in store. They are focusing on improving the trade-off between intelligence, speed, and cost, aiming for significant enhancements every few months. To round out the Claude 3.5 model family, they're set to release Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus later this year. These additions will likely bring more specialized capabilities and performance optimizations, providing users with a broader range of options tailored to different needs and budgets. Beyond expanding the Claude 3.5 model family, the team is working on next-generation models and developing new modalities and features. These advancements aim to support a wider array of use cases for businesses, including deeper integrations with enterprise applications. One particularly promising feature under development is memory, which will allow Claude to remember user preferences and interaction histories. This will make interactions more personalized and efficient, enhancing user experience by adapting to individual needs over time. Now, GPT-4o already comes with this particular feature, but it is just one out of many features to be expected. Basically, Claude AI's future looks geared toward creating a more intelligent, versatile, and user-friendly AI. With continuous improvements and new features on the horizon, Claude AI is poised to become an even more integral tool for businesses and individuals alike. And all we can say is, OpenAI, watch out. In our next video, we will touch on another ground-shifting news in the AI industry, this time involving OpenAI and Elon Musk.